Hello and welcome back to the channel, and it's time for another Shiba Inu update. So in this video, we are going to talk about why the price of SHIB is going down. I'm going to give you three different reasons why the price of SHIB is going down. So you're going to want to stick around for all three of those reasons. And again, you're going to find out really quickly that I am a long-term investor. I put out a video yesterday about holding this until 2025, and I still continue to feel that way, as well as the three different ways or reasons rather why SHIB is going down. We're going to talk about the chart. We're going to actually do some analysis on the chart as well, and then we're going to cover the latest news on Shiba Inu. So you're going to get all of that in this video. Make sure you stick around, hit the like button, and subscribe if you're getting some value. So first and foremost, let's jump right in. And again, guys, not a financial advisor, just for entertainment, informational purposes only. So reason number one. Remember that 10% of the SHIB tokens, right, went from our treasury to Wintermute. You can see the tweet here from Sandeep Nawal here. This is one of the co-founders of MATIC, who's heading up the Crypto Relief Fund. So we later found out that they're doing this in increments. They're using 10% of SHIB tokens each time until it's used up. All of those ones that Vitalik gifted to India for great reasons. Now, we haven't yet found out when all of these tokens will be used up, but we're getting close to it. I'm trying to find some insight information. I don't want to report on anything just yet because I don't have a definite answer, but we do know that they're still deploying these tokens, which of course is one reason why the price is going down. There's a lot of tokens here that Vitalik gifted them. So that's reason number one. And I think a lot of people maybe forget that because it happened way back in May. You can see here on the screen. One other tweet that I wanted to highlight from back at that time. Also, I'm going to link a video that I did on May 14th about this. I'll link that in the description. We're working on liquidating the SHIB tokens with Wintermute. Rest assured, this will be done in the best possible way to protect retail investors. This is coming straight from India's Crypto Relief Fund. What we later found out is they're just going to do it in these small portions, these small increments of 10% or less. And the entire process will be transparent and compliant. Now, when they say that, that's all great. I've yet to kind of really see a lot more tweets about that. I'm trying to dig in and just to see if we're going by the 10%, we can kind of start doing the math. But later on that, news on that later when I get some more insight and information, and I'll be able to bring that to you. So reason number two, and we're going to talk about, we're talking about why the price of SHIB is going down. So reason number two, and this is just, this goes for any asset that goes down very quickly after a big rise. So here's the meteoric rise that we saw, right, way back in May. And really, when we got to the top here, these are swing traders right here. These are people who were not holding this for the long term. This is that first big drop. Okay, boom. Now we get down here, okay, on the 14th. Now what happens? Now Crypto Relief Fund kicks in. Okay, so I think this initial big drop right here that you see right here, I think these are swing traders not holding this for the long term. Then we had another negative catalyst, well, for the price at least, right? I think it's a positive catalyst overall in the future because we're getting India, the second most populated country in the world, involved in all this. But in the short term, we saw right here, May 14th, okay, now they're starting to use these tokens to help out the relief fund, and you could see that drop, okay? Then we saw a nice little pop back up, which I thought was nice, but then a big drop off here. This was the market crashing. So this was, another negative catalyst. And we start to piece this together. The entire crypto market has a lot of uncertainty. That's reason number three why we're seeing the price of SHIB go down, right? And that's right in here, May 19th, May 23rd, you see this big drop off. This is all crypto assets, okay? Now, since we've come back down here, okay, from this point, we've had this one little valley. You can see here, we got way down here on the 19th, way down here again on the 23rd. We had a nice pop back up all the way up to the 12 level here, okay? All the way up in here. And then we've just been kind of swinging down, back up. We couldn't set new highs here. Now, this is one thing that is concerning. So if we take a look at this line right here, that is a negative line here, okay? So we can see, when we look at this, we obviously would like to be setting new highs when we go up on the trend lines, right? So we started up here after we popped here, after the crash, right? And this just couldn't get back up to that level. It did get up in here, the 10.4 level, just couldn't get back up here into the 12 level though. And then what have we seen? We've seen another, decline here back down. And again, this is, I think, another reason, just the crypto market as a whole is going down. And, some consolidating here. We are super low right now, and we reached a new 30-day low yesterday. Okay, so sure, there is a lot of people probably really panicking right now, and for good reason. I understand that. But again, when you have the long-term mindset of 2025, I'm okay with this. I'll ride this wave. We're waiting on a positive catalyst. We haven't had one of those for over a month, right? We've had these negative catalysts in terms of the short-term price. A lot of that money being used in the relief fund, which long-term I believe is good. Swing traders getting out of it, right? And then the crypto market, just a lot of FUD and uncertainty around the crypto space, okay? So right now we just got some negative catalysts all across the crypto space, and then a few specific things, to SHIB. However, things are going to turn around. They always do. And if you're patient, we're going to feel those things. So hopefully looking at this chart kind of helps you kind of see where we are, how we got here. And again, it hasn't been that long since we had this meteoric rise, okay? Things take time. Be patient. We will get there. All right, so let's get into some of the news. Shiba Inu drops below key support level. We talked about this last night on the live stream, and it did get down there pretty low. So it says right here, no important levels were formed between we talked about the 0.4 level, didn't get that low, and the resistance at the 6.3. Now it did test this, and it just dipped below it. Then we saw it bounce right back off. So this move may be fast. A successful test of the support level at 0.4 never got there. We'll push Shiba Inu towards the next support level at 0.3. I did say if it gets down to this 0.4 level, I will be adding more. I have 30 million SHIB right now. I will add more, and I've been holding for a long time here, even through these dips. If it gets that low, though, I will be purchasing more, and we'll be talking about that if we get there. On the upside, Shiba Inu needs to get back above 0.7. We talked about that last night to have a chance to gain some more positive momentum. It will head towards the next resistance, which is located at the 0.8. If you guys remember, it was stuck at that 8.5 level for a while, and we just haven't been able. And then we tested that 10 level a couple of times recently, just haven't been able to get up there. I'd really like to see us get up there soon. And if we take this back out, we could take a look at this. This is at the 6.7 level right now. So we're again testing those 30-day lows of 6.3. And actually, I don't think this is updated yet, because last night when we were on stream, it got down to the 6.2s, at least at the chart that we were looking at. So we'll see if that gets updated, which would be a new 30-day low. But from a big picture point of view, the technical picture for Shiba Inu looks pretty bearish, which we just kind of highlighted. And the Shiba Inu additional positive catalyst to break the current downside. We need a positive catalyst. That's what we need right now. We just had 3 negative catalysts that I've outlined here in this video, and we're waiting for something positive. And I think something is on the horizon. Here's one piece of positive news. Shiba Inu is now available on Changely and Changely Pro. So this can now be exchanged over 200 cryptocurrencies already available on the platform. Additionally, the SHIB BTC trading pair is now open for trading on Changely Pro. So there you go. That's another avenue, another small catalyst here. And let's take a look at the next article here. FX leader Shiba Inu petition to get listed on Coinbase. I mean, talk about a positive catalyst. If we get some kind of news like this from a Robinhood or a Coinbase that this thing is going to get listed, I mean, this would be huge. Preferably, I think Robinhood would be our best bet. I just think it lends itself to these type of investors. I think, Shiba Inu is obviously a community-based coin. We saw Dogecoin, its meteoric rise, and a lot of its holders are on Robinhood. So I think Shiba Inu could follow in its footsteps. And I would just think it's a match made in heaven if this were to happen somewhere down the road. And again, I'm holding till 2025. So, if and when that happens, I'll be a part of it. Again, that long-term mindset really does help out. So there are some key levels to watch here, and they mentioned some. So on the other hand, SHIB will have to make its way back up to the pivot at 8.9 level. Again, it was stuck at that 8.5 level before this most recent dip for confirmation of a trend reversal. So if it gets to this 8.9 level, we could probably see then some more positive momentum and we'll see some positive signs in the chart as well. So that's a key area to watch here, that 8.9 level. We were stuck at that 8.5 level, and then we came back down. So keep that in mind. If we get to that 8.5 level again and we break it, we could be heading upwards from there, and hopefully to the 10 level next. Okay, so Shiba Inu coin continues to plummet. Is it the end for Shiba? This article came out yesterday. Obviously, I don't believe it is. A lot of FUD coming out. A lot of these articles are very clickbaity, right? They come out and they say, is this it? Is this the end? They want you to kind of, have that FUD with them. And, I don't think so. So while we see SHIB continue to fall alongside the like of Dogecoin, it does not necessarily mean the developers would deviate their future plans for the coin from a technological perspective. As long as there's still support from the dev team, there would be some hope for the coin to not vanish indefinitely and return in the future. I mean, all in all, right now, we are still, a top 42 coin. So we're sitting at 42 in the market rank right now. That has come down. We were in the 30s for the past few weeks, and obviously we got as high, we broke the 20s. We broke the top 20 at one time when Shiba Inu got up there almost to a $10 billion market cap. We're sitting at 2.6 billion right now. So that's the last article on SHIB. One more piece of advice before you get up on out of here. Interesting tidbit here. Shout out to WorkZay, who's somebody who hangs out in our live chats quite a bit. He threw this one at me on Twitter. Appreciate it, WorkZay. And this is talking about Polygon. So quick note here. MahaDAO will launch the first value coin on Polygon called ARTH. According to the company, ARTH, the asset, will debut on the Polygon network. So a nice positive catalyst here for Polygon. The Polygon network was selected based upon three simple reasons. It fully benefits from Ethereum's network. It is secure and it is open and powerful. And you guys know how much I love Polygon. Fully benefits from Ethereum's network. It's secure and helps with that scalability. Polygon is an Ethereum compatible protocol and architecture that builds and interconnects blockchain networks. The network brings together scalable Ethereum solutions to support a multi-chain Ethereum ecosystem. So you've heard me probably talk about Polygon before, and I think WorkZay knows how much I'm a fan, and he dropped this in here. This article came out yesterday, so very nice, very good news here for Polygon, and this should be a nice positive catalyst for them moving forward. So that'll do it for the Shiba Inu update. We are watching the price. It's testing those lows right now, but just stay patient, and we'll continue to watch things, and I'll report on them as I see them. So take care. Appreciate you stopping by, and I'll see you in the next video.